Hello everyone, my name is Simran and I am going to teach you mathematics. Students, in the last class we have completed the exercise number 2.1 and today we are starting with the exercise number 2.2, the introduction of exercise 2.2, that is the multiplication of fractions. How can we multiply the fractions? Okay, we will study about that today. Okay, multiplication of fractions. Firstly students, if you want to multiply the fractions with a whole number, what you need to do? Suppose I want to multiply 1 upon 2 with a whole number 4. What will I do? What will I do? We will just multiply their numerators together, okay? Numerators together and will keep its denominator the same, okay? To multiply a whole number with a proper or improper fraction, we multiply the whole number with the numerator of the fraction, keeping the denominator same. This is what we have done now, okay? We have to multiply the numerators together and we have to keep the denominators same, alright students? And in this way you can clearly multiply the whole number and the fraction, alright students? Now students, how can we multiply a fraction with that is a mixed fraction with a whole number? For multiplication of a mixed fraction with the whole number, firstly you need to convert that mixed fraction into improper fraction, alright students, and then only you will multiply that improper fraction with the whole number, okay, by multiplying their numerators together and keeping the denominator same, alright students. For example, if I have this mixed fraction, okay, and I want to multiply this mixed fraction with whole number 5, okay. Firstly, I will need to convert this mixed fraction into the improper fraction, alright students. For converting it into the improper fraction, what I need to do? I will multiply these two. 1 multiplied by 4 is equals to 4, okay, and then I will add this 4 to this 3, that is 7. 7 upon 4 is the answer of this mixed fractions conversion into the improper fraction, alright students. So 7 upon 4 multiplied by this whole number 5. So we will multiply the numerators, that is 7 into 5, and keep the denominator same, that is 4. 7 into 5 is equals to 35 upon 4, alright students. In this also, to multiply a mixed fraction to a whole number, first convert the mixed fraction to the improper fraction and then multiply, okay. In this way you can clearly multiply improper fraction, mixed fraction or proper fractions into with whole numbers, alright students. Now we will see an example of it. Example, in a class of 40 students, 1 upon 5 of the total number of students like to study English, okay. How many of them likes to study English? 1 upon 5th part of 40, okay. 2 upon 5 of the total number like to study mathematics, okay. 2 upon 5 likes to study mathematics and the remaining students like to study science, okay. In this question clearly mentioned that 40 is the total number of students. Out of the total 40, 1 upon 5 students of total number of students like to study English, okay, and 2 upon 5 likes to study mathematics and the rest of the students like to study science. So in the first part you have to find out how many students like to study English, okay. How many students likes to study English? For example students, if English is liked by the students, by that is 1 upon 5, English liked by 1 upon 5 of the total students, right? 1 upon 5 of the total students. Total students is 1 upon 5 into total students 40, okay. The meaning of is multiplication, alright students. Then we will multiply the numerators and keep the denominator same, that is 1 into 40 is equals to 40 upon 5, alright students. 40 upon 5. When you divide 40 from 5, what is your answer? 5 into 8 is equals to 40, alright students. So 8 students. So, how many students like to study English? 8 students. Okay, students? Alright. Now, we will see its next part, that is, how many students like to study mathematics? Okay. How many of them like mathematics? Okay. So, mathematics is liked by 2/5 of total students, right? So, 2 upon 5 of means multiplication, total students 40, alright. So, 2 into 40 upon 5, okay. So, 80 upon 5. When you are dividing 80 from 5, 5 into 1 is equals to 5, remainder is 3, then 0 comes 6, okay. So, the answer of 80 divided by 5 is equals to 16 students. Alright students. So, how many students like to study mathematics is equals to 16 students. Alright students. Okay. So, it is clear that out of 40 students, 8 are studying English, 16 are studying maths. So, how many of them, that is the rest of the students like to study science? Okay. So, it means that the total answer is 32 minus 16, that is 16. Alright students. So, science is liked by 16 students. Okay, it is very clear. Now, students will look at its third part. What is it? What fraction of the total number of students like to study science? In this question, we are not asked about the number of students. It is asked that tell us the fraction of how many of them like to study science. Okay. So, students, any fraction is 1. Okay. The maximum fraction can be 1. Okay. Proper fraction if we are talking about. Alright. Out of this 1 upon 5 likes to study English and 2 upon 5 likes to study mathematics. So, if we are asked to find out how many of them like to study science, then 1 minus 1 upon 5 minus 2 upon 5 likes to study science. So, we will take the LCM of 1, 5 and 5, LCM of 1, 5 and 5, 1, 5, 5, that is 5. Alright students. So, 5. We have to make the denominators of all these three equal to 5. Okay. So, 1 upon 1 into 5 upon 5 minus 1 upon 5 into 1 upon 1 minus 2 upon 5 into 1 upon 1. 5 upon 5 minus 1 upon 5 minus 2 upon 5. Having the denominator same, that is equals to 5, 5 minus 1 minus 2, that is in the numerators. Alright students. 5 minus 1 is equals to 4, 4 minus 2 is equals to 2. So, 2 upon 5 of the total students like to study science. Alright students. So, this was all about the example number 1 of exercise number 2.2. Alright students. So, students, this was the basics of exercise number 2.2. In the next class, we will be doing the exercise portion of 2.2. Alright students. Till then, do study at your home. Bye-bye.